Welcome back guys. So in this video we will be learning more about business plan. So basically it will be more about the understanding of the business plan. So without any delay, let's start. A business plan is a fundamental document that any startup business needs to have in place prior to beginning operations. Banks and VC firms indeed often make writing a viable business plan prerequisite before even considering providing capital to new businesses. So it is that important. Operating without a business plan is really not a good idea. It is like someone who is roaming around cluelessly without knowing where the destination is and expecting to reach there. In fact, very few companies are able to last very long without a business plan. There is definitely more benefits to creating and sticking to a good business plan, including being able to think through ideas without putting too much money into them and ultimately losing it in the end. So if you are a person who knows about stock market trading, you might have heard about the word paper trading. So this business plan is exactly a paper trading for your startup. A good business plan should outline all the projected costs and possible pitfalls of each decision that the company makes. Business plan, even among the competitors in the same industry, are rarely identical, but they all tend to have the same basic elements, including an executive summary and a detailed description of the businesses, its services and its products. It also states how the business is going to achieve its goals. The plan should include at least an overview of the industry of which the business will be a part and how it will distinguish itself from the potential competitors. While it's a good idea to give as much detail as possible, it's also important to be sure that the plan is concise so that the reader will want to go to the end. And when we are talking about the readers of the business plan, one need to understand that there are different type of business plan for different kind of audiences. For core team members, there will be different business plan. For investors, there will be different business plan. For stakeholders, there will be different plans. And for the staff members working with the organization, there will be a different business plan. Majority of the section of the business plan will remain the same, but as you don't want everyone to know or see everything, there are confidential parts into it. It is good practice to keep them separate. I know you all are cursing me. It is really hard to create a single business plan and I am asking you to create 4 different sets of business plan. But it is a good practice and one should do it.